So before you drive, I was a peer support mentor for One Life Group, isang grupo na naglalayon na matulungan ang mga recovering addicts post-rehab dito sa Pilipinas. Ang You Drive Group Philippines ay naglalayon na sumuporta at tumulong sa mga tao that underwent trauma, toxic stress, and adversity, maging sa mga tao na merong addiction at mental health issues dito sa Pilipinas. You Drive for Me is a company that supports individuals, families, organizations to be more compassionate and to be more trauma-informed. So we could support each other, address the core issues na hinaharap ng bawat isang individual, family, couples, or organizations as well.